In today's digital world, cybersecurity refers to the practices and technologies that protect our information from unauthorized access and cyber threats. Its importance cannot be overstated. Common risks include phishing scams, ransomware attacks, and data breaches that plague both individuals and businesses. Perth's digital landscape is unique, marked by rapid technological growth, yet it faces significant vulnerabilities that require attention. Let's look at notable cybersecurity incidents in Perth that demonstrate the critical nature of these risks. Local laws significantly impact cybersecurity measures, dictating how businesses protect sensitive information. Awareness is key. Best practices like using strong passwords and being cautious of suspicious emails can make a big difference. Businesses have a corporate responsibility to protect sensitive data. Implementing strong cybersecurity measures is not just good practice, but essential. Emerging technologies like IoT and AI are shaping the future of cybersecurity, presenting both new risks and solutions. Community organizations and initiatives in Perth are working tirelessly to enhance cybersecurity awareness and resources. As we look ahead, the trends in cybersecurity will continue to evolve. Staying vigilant is paramount for everyone.